Okay, guys, we're here for part 2. Okay, so we're building the body now. No, you're
Baka part
building.
2 pa to.
Okay, so guys, this is easily to end. So we need some. Oh no, bro. We need some part 3.
Yes.
We need
Okay,
part
stop
3.
talking now. We need to come and do this now.
No. Okay. Okay. Okay, we need the head. Oh, you didn't seal this. Oi. Oh my goodness, the body is too big. Okay, this is the head for today.
What? I already built this. But fine.
Bye-bye.